Silent Hill, the short message.
Seeking a connection with others is a sign of weakness. It's running away. The strongest animals don't form groups. They act alone and need only themselves to survive. Those who betray themselves to fit into a group are pathetic. There's no beauty in living like that. I want to be strong on my own, without a group. If there were only someone who would understand that to adult me.
I want to show you something. Can you come to the villa?
Oh, yeah. Maya told me to come here. This model. Is it this building?
The plan to rebuild Kettenstadt. An overview. Kettenstadt, a town with a long history as a thriving border stronghold. In recent years, those in their 20s have begun leaving en masse, causing concern. The aim of this wide-scale project is to rebuild Kettenstadt and restore it to its former glory with the help of Chinese investment firms. The theme is revitalization. The abandoned properties developed by Japanese corporations in 2008 have long been a problem, but by repurposing them we can cut costs substantially and better realize our vision for a new Kettenstadt.
Wow. So this place didn't always suck. Our parents dreamed of this?
Jelly bear! Plans to rebuild Kettenstadt have suffered yet another major setback as instability caused by the COVID-19 pandemic has reduced interest from foreign investors. Previous plans to jumpstart the town failed to materialize owing to the monetary instability caused by the 2008 global financial crisis, which forced the plan to involve Japanese corporations and financial institutions to be reconsidered. 2 attempts to rebuild, 2 failures due to unfortunate external circumstances. Kettenstadt has struggled to bounce back with increased unemployment. The city council is considering ways to revitalize the economy by drawing skilled experts to the area, but as of yet no effective measures have been implemented.
Everyone's losing their futures. That's all adults are. A slave to the system.
Pasindaw nga. Akpan yak sa yung rock to nga.
Where are you, Maya?
Maya. А что почти что? Да. No itch.
I'm trapped. I've always been trapped.
Wow. Nasa kone punta ba? Ba ninguniak sa nga. Ninguniak sa kayo makpo nga. Spilitan. Misilitan ako. Spilitan. Aksinakta. Saktsing nila.
September 28, 2021 Notice of Provisional Meeting to all Villa residents. We have received many inquiries about the management of this building after the recent news. We would therefore like to hold a meeting to explain our policies more formally. We hope you can find the time to attend.
Dava. Malaksak sa takatang niyak pekinaktosh. So ko dapat lang spilling damon.
Maya?
Maya. Misisuyak kang ikan dito ang eda. Ano siya na?
For a graffiti artist, spray paint and a blank wall are all you need in Kettenstadt. The walls of a particular apartment building are the canvas for several artists. With a new piece showing up every day, social media star CB features her work here. Given her passion for flowers, it's only fitting that her name is CB, which is short for cherry blossom. CB's art continues to captivate the hearts of the young, so we reached out to her for comment, keeping her eyes fixed on her new piece. She had this to say: "All I'm doing is showing what these girls feel on the inside but can't show on the outside. If any of them connect with a girl in the art, it's probably because they're experiencing the same thing." CB added that the flowers she depicts on the young girls she paints bloom out of the scars they bear. The flowers represent the girls overcoming past traumas, or at least their desire to do so.
Everyone can see how talented she is. I couldn't be more different. Did Maya do this? CB. Cherry blossom. That's Maya's signature. She's amazing.
The city's a blank canvas, begging for us to paint it with our hopes and dreams. I want to show the hidden side of girls, their impulses, their urges. What are you hiding inside? Don't worry about what people think. Be proud.
How could I ever be proud of myself?
Headshot. Aksan pingit to kan itakusas sa kauna rock to kasi kung atakusin nang isan ni. Daba? Ano sa kyak to na kayaw?
Who's there?
Sorry for the late reply, I fell asleep. Don't worry about it. How you feeling? Melly, I am okay. I can actually kinda get some rest now. Didn't mean to scare you or anything. Seriously DW about it, all's good now. Amelie, I am still a little tired, but I am gonna get up soon.
That's a relief.
One yung kaksating laka konas pillak. Wang kaksatin ni sinitsitaw ng tasanas pillimi. Sinitsitanan nita sinatun niyak sa ko yung Imatto sinasat sinattu pirutsunni soklo ni naniyak sa kasusawat.
What's with this place? Why all the sticky notes?
Loser! Stupid! Liar! Crazy! Cry, baby! Ugly! I hate you, dumb! Go away!
She never said anything nice.
Daveonas ini sangipiti tama sa wanipun.
Child abuse, neglect in Kettenstadt. A recent statistical survey has shown the rate of child abuse in Kettenstadt last year was nearly double that of the average in other developed nations in Europe. The recent economic strife and its resulting poverty are thought to be the cause.
Tama to karuto anak sinaw nga tas pilyo na misilig karok pa o karuto sakta pa sinaksa pa kanupiso kang
My mom loved me.
sangipiti wanipun. Dano ang nakfit yam bimikok lutsi. Napalalay me.
Antidepressants. I've taken enough medication.
Medication na mas pilitom scary at saktin diyak talayak ako. Dava?
This is all your fault! Bad things happen because of you!
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Mom.
Oh, first blood. Vaccinaw nga, vaccinaw matadi sa oy sa lanwak po ina. Tagko fakpisata na mabaho na at tas na kanak sa utabaksyon to siya na yaksan na kan. Som sky visu din namat doing nila nga kanapiso ka sa tindas swan.
What about you, Anita?
Kanyas.
What?
What?
You didn't look so hot the other day. I am fine. You don't have to worry about me. Well, obviously I am gonna. I am talking my meds. Meds are good, but what about therapy? That doesn't really do much, to be honest. Talking to adults doesn't help. Some of our classmates were hospitalized. You don't have to do this alone. I know. I'll let you know if I need anything. And those guys deserved it. They feel bad, you know, all of them.
Ba-ba-da-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba. Inga pa yuwa, Dario vo.
Maya?
Okay. Run the race!
What's going on?
I don't know, I don't care.
Am I safe? Where did it even go? What the fuck was that thing?
You here? I am in the studio. Maya? There's a monster here. You okay? Teenage suicides continue at infamous building. A rundown apartment complex in Kettenstadt has become known for its suicides, with teenage girls jumping from its roof practically every year. Despite repeat events, the building, abandoned ever since the development management company declared bankruptcy, remains easily accessible. The young and unemployed are not deterred by the building's grim reputation, though, with many continuing to enter it, and young graffiti artists using it for their work. Meanwhile, local residents' security concerns continue to grow.
Please. Not Maya, too. She has been acting weird lately.
Ooh.
Cherry blossoms bloom within the grasp of death. With most flowers, the rot sets in, then they fall. That's the price of new life. Not cherry blossoms, though. They bloom beautiful, they fall beautiful. That's how I want my life to be.
Why is she not replying? Come on! I have to find her.
Now what? Turn around, turn about.
That monster. It's gone, right? Where is the studio?
Akpad na kayo pasaw.
Inside the fog of social media, solitude and anxiety in teenagers, all of the teenagers interviewed said they were ashamed of the risque selfies they posted online. They also claimed they experienced anxiety over not getting any likes on such photos. What all of the kids had in common was extremely low self-esteem. The greater their anxiety and lower their confidence, the more pronounced their reactions were to positive attention. The sense of fulfillment they experienced after getting a like online is difficult for adults to comprehend. Furthermore, even when acknowledged, the teenagers still could not view their actions positively, and quickly reverted to despair, seeking more attention to fill the void. Teenagers who are not yet psychologically mature run the risk of experiencing this toxic quest for validation.
The famous suicide spot.
Bida ka makujingin naklong. Spilita matari ko daw. Hanif fishya binawang itameta na kay mapini ko sa matushima.
Creepy. Maya, I hope you're all right.
Maya yung irak. Isyuno nakishim ipaksaking at.
By the way, thought any more about college? I can't do it. You don't have to decide right away. So, once you're at college, are you not coming back here? No way, I'll come back occasionally. My parents would give me shit if I didn't come home for breaks. But yeah, just give college some more thought, okay? I told you I can't go. It's not for me. Studying isn't my thing. I told you I would help you. It's fine, I can't do anything. Don't know what it'd do if I got in. That's not true. Way too hard on yourself. Be proud of who you are. Wait, what about those drawings you showed me? You could audit an art class. It could lead to a job. I am not Maya, okay?
Molly doesn't get it.
Gotcha. So you don't really like this place. I get it. People in this town see graffiti as nothing but trashy doodles. And my classmates talk about me. Might not be a bad idea to leave town, actually. The great thing about graffiti is the world's your canvas. And as long as I'm with you, I can have fun anywhere.
There's no way out.
So what? I like here. My favorite part. Shibuya.
Are you here?
No. That's Pilinada on.
Is this your studio?
Yes.
Are these Maya's sketches? These aren't even finished. And they look this good. They seem happy. A new life. So full of life.
Ang uno na tanakin na?
Are you here?
Maya?
Where are you? This place is dangerous. We need to go. Maya, respond, please.
Why won't she reply? Where are you? Am I going crazy?
Maybe. Beautiful. I like this. Kato, tako keras ya. Tasin na nakatawa.
It's beautiful. Who did Maya have in mind? Did you post this too? Even more followers. I lost followers again. Some new followers here. I need to upload stuff like this to get as many likes as Maya.
Sexy, loving it.
Stop with the boring photos already. No sexy stuff. No followers.
Wow, you hate your followers?
Congrats on reaching your follower goal. Come on. We want sexy pics already. Just stop! Please! I'm sorry.
No, I shouldn't have gotten mad like that.
Thanks, Anita. I guess I haven't accepted Maya's death yet.
Huh?
Why did she jump from the villa? Why did she have to die?
Maya's dead? Wait. Maya's really dead? How could I forget that?
Are you alright, Anita? Hello? Hello?
Then who's this?
Find it.
Who?
ところびしょ。だなところめこびしみそ。Hatas Pilipis bisa nganak siyak tidak bro. Dapat kinana sa kacing. Hallelujah.
Maya died. But her art lives on. Even more followers. No one is ever going to notice me. This is where Maya jumped from.
Bad things happen because of you!
Maybe I can be like her. Here goes. Am I back at the villa? But why didn't I die?
You find it? Find what? Can't leave till you find it. This really you, Maya? Can't leave till you find it. Maya's dead, not her, can't leave till you find it. Who the fuck is this? You can't leave till you find it. Tell me.
What the fuck?
누나가 아빠는 지키러 왔지. 나와 빌리. 어석지라 약속. So, atal saktirangin na kayang monos billi. Tama nga na naktarak po kasi kung nasin po isin naksak si Mrs. na masipay. Tisyon matakus. Bye-bye.